Hello, my name's James. And for this session, I'm going to show you how to use a side axe. And we're going to rough out a mallet. The side axe is different from a chopping or a carving axe in that it just has a single bevel. This is a right-handed axe, so the left side, the cheek, is flat. That way you can get a close shave right up against the wood. A chopping axe or a carving axe hacks away at the wood and it has a bevel on both sides, so it's less of a fine finish. Always put a sheath back on a bladed item to protect it and yourself. For beginners, I'd recommend cut-proof gloves, which are widely available. You wear it on the hand that isn't holding the bladed object. That way you're protected in case you slip. Although, as you get more experience, I'd recommend a better grip without the gloves. We're going to use this bit of local hedgerow blackthorn to rough out a mallet using the side axe. The side axe, I'm going to use the weight of the head to go straight down. I'm not cutting it at an angle. I'm looking straight down and the axe is following through. To get the angle I want to cut, I move the wood, not the axe. Thumbs and fingers are tightly tucked around the back of the wood, and you start with some little cuts and then larger. I'm holding quite close to the head of the axe, not swinging from the handle, just using the weight of the axe. Cutting through the fibres and then chopping it away. So yet again, if I want a shallow cut, I tip the wood up. If I want a deep cut, I tip it away, keeping my thumbs and fingers and never lifting the axe higher than the piece of wood. It's always halfway. If you need to go higher up, turn the wood round. So that's our roughed out mallet. In a future episode, I'll show you how to smooth it and make a safe, non-slip, comfortable handle ready for use.